Hello everyone, how are you all? Myself Moinivas. I am presenting before you the topic circulatory system. Now, what is circulatory system? Any guesses? Yeah, circulatory system is the movement or it is the system through which the movement of minerals and nutrients take place in our body. What are the organs involved in the circulatory system? Blood, heart, blood vessels. Okay. Now what is blood? I think you all must be aware of blood. Yeah, blood is the fluid that flows in our body and consists of red blood cells, RBC, white blood cells, WBC, and platelets. Okay. Now what is blood vessels? Blood vessels are those vessels through which blood flows, and it includes arteries, veins, capillaries. Okay. Now heart. What is heart? It is the most important part of the circulatory system. Let's see how. Okay. Heart is a muscular organ and it is size of our hand fist, this much. And it is triangular in shape. It is located between the lungs. It is slightly tilted to left side and it is made up of cardiac muscles. What is cardiac muscles? Any guesses? Yeah. Cardiac muscles are those muscles which are responsible for involuntary functions of our body. Yeah. Good. Now, two sides. What does it mean? So, we can see in the picture the road has two sides. Similarly, our heart has also two sides. Okay. One side, as you can see in the picture, is blue in color and another side is in red in color. Why so different? Any guesses? Yeah. Blue color receives deoxygenated blood and red side has oxygenated blood. Okay. Now blue color represents right side and red color represents left side. Okay. Now what is oxygenated and deoxygenated blood? Any guesses? Yeah. Deoxygenated blood, as its name signifies, it means it is oxygen deficient blood, and oxygenated blood, it means it is a blood rich in oxygen. Okay. Now we have seen two sides of our heart. Now four chambers of heart. What are they? These are those chambers which are responsible for proper functioning of heart. What is proper functioning of heart? That is, heart pumps the blood to different parts of our body. Now, how this happens? It happens with the help of these four chambers. That is, right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. And these are only responsible for pumping the blood from the heart to different parts of our body, and that's why our heart regularly contracts and expands. You can feel it if you watch. Yourself, you can feel the movement of the heart. Okay. And here right atrium is also called right auricle, left atrium is also called left auricle. Okay. Now the right atrium is the part which receives deoxygenated blood and the left ventricle is the part which has oxygenated blood. What happens in between is only the circulation. Okay. This is circulatory system. Let's see how. Circulation. See, in this picture it is clearly seen that the right atrium receives blue color blood, that is deoxygenated blood. Then that blood moves towards the right ventricle. And then from the right ventricle, movement of blood takes place to the lungs. Okay. Then lung is the place where the purification takes place. Okay. That is, deoxygenated blood is converted into the oxygenated blood. And now the color of blood is changed from blue to red. And the oxygenated blood moves towards the left atrium and then the left ventricle, and finally from the left ventricle to the different parts of our body. So this is how two types of pump work in our body. One in the right side and left side, and this is how blood flows in our body. Now, have you ever wondered how this proper flow of blood takes place? is there anything which protects or which protects or which helps in the proper flow of blood? Yeah, there's something. Let's see what. Yeah, walls of heart. Okay, the walls of heart act as like a security check or a guard which prevents the action of backflow of blood. These are tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, pulmonary valve, aortic valve. Okay. Now, till now we have seen heart, sides of heart, four chambers of heart, and walls of heart. And these all are responsible for properly pumping the blood to all the body parts and also simultaneously purifying or distributing the blood to different parts of our body. Okay. Now, it is said that in human heart double circulation takes place. Let's see how. Yeah, it is so because we have seen till now that the blood flows between heart and lungs also, and blood flows between heart and to different parts of the body also. So the flow of blood between heart and lung is called pulmonary circulation, and the flow of blood between heart and the cells of body is called systemic circulation. Okay, since these two type of circulation take place simultaneously, that's why it is called double circulation, and hence double circulation takes place in human heart. Okay, now I think everything is clear to you. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe. Bye bye.